In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check AliExpress promotions. We'll explore the exciting world of discounts and turn you into a savvy shopper in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to aliexpress.com or open the AliExpress app on your mobile device. This is your gateway to a treasure trove of savings and special offers that can transform your shopping experience. Once you've successfully navigated to the website or app, your mission is to find the coupons section. It's usually prominently featured in the top menu or as part of the banner sections. Keep an eye out for these banners because they often showcase seasonal promotions or limited time offers that you won't want to miss. Now, on AliExpress, there are two main types of coupons you should be aware of: the site coupons and store coupons. Site coupons are super versatile since they can be used across multiple participating stores on the platform. It's like having a golden ticket to a variety of discounts. On the other hand, store coupons are a bit more specific and only apply to a single seller. These could be great if you have a favorite store you're loyal to, or if a particular seller is offering a fantastic deal on something you've been eyeing. Once you're familiar with the types of coupons, the next step is to collect them. As you browse, you'll notice an option to get coupons on product pages or the store pages themselves. Go ahead and click this. You're essentially adding the coupon to your personal collection. It's worth noting that when you click claim, you're not just gathering discounts, but also making sure they're readily available when you need them. Be sure to check the coupon details because some might have minimum order requirements. This means you may need to buy a certain amount before the discount applies, so understanding these terms can save you from surprises at checkout. Aside from coupons, another layer of savings comes from AliExpress promo codes. These are often distributed by sellers through product pages or newsletters. If you spot a promo code, don't hesitate, copy that code. When you finalize your shopping haul and are ready to check out, you simply paste the promo code into the designated box at checkout. Voila! Additional savings are yours to enjoy. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to navigating and making the most out of promotions on AliExpress. By being diligent and mindful of the coupons and promo codes available, you can save quite a bit on your shopping. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to AliExpress, these tips can enhance your shopping efficiency. Happy shopping, and may your cart always be full of savings.